going on, y'all? Today's Saturday. It's actually not that bad today. We got some sun, which is great. I was actually gonna try to wash my car, but I don't really know if I actually want to do that because the pipes might like freeze or some shit. Yeah, the pipes might freeze later on tonight because it's super cold at nighttime. But yeah, today we're just gonna finish up the fuel line stuff, and then work our way to do like couple other little stuff that we need to do. So I'm gonna wipe this bad boy down. It's so dusty. Wow. So right here we have you guys know what this is right here. It's like a little pipe cutter. So got this little pipe cutter, which I'm gonna put down here for this line right here. Let me show you guys. For this line right here, which is, oh, you can't really see it. All this is in the way. Let me show you guys. This is for this line right here, which is the feed line. So I'm gonna cut it somewhere like maybe like around here or something, because I need a good amount of. I need to cut it somewhere where I can actually run the feed perfect for it. But as you guys can see, can't run the feed there because it's gonna be too much like in the way or whatever. So I'm gonna try to figure out where I need to cut it at and then go from there. Alright, yeah, so I cut this piece off right here. So now the feed is right here. This line right here, I'm gonna just like bend it out the way. This line right here is nothing. This was for the power steering, so I'm just gonna move that shit out the way. But now the feed line is there, so what I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna put the feed over it, and I should be good. Think it'll reach, and yeah. Then I just gotta fix up all like the stuff back here. It's just mainly to not try to look. So I mean, back here was gonna look kind of a little like cluttered because it's obviously like the fuel line and stuff go back there. But like once I fix it up, you're gonna see it's not gonna look that bad. And like I said, I still gotta just like fix the lines and stuff. Still gotta put this little vacuum line on, little small stuff, but we're making progress. Alright, so the line fits perfect. Now I'm gonna be getting a little socket to put over the clamps. My dad's got here. We're putting American bolts on the throttle cable plate. You guys saw the regular metric ones don't fit there. The American ones will be perfect. So I'm just getting a size 7 for these clamps. So the clamp, the return, and the feed. Oh, it's not even a 7. What size is this? How cold. It was good, and it got super cold. Look at my hands. Bro. I'm about to do the return clamp. So the bolts are too long, and then even with the bracket, the throttle cable doesn't reach because of that bracket is like that bracket is too short, so it doesn't reach. So we're gonna have to just use the bracket on the left side hole. And this is the one with the hole in it. So we're gonna put some Teflon, put an American bolt in there, and then just close it. My dad's gonna take that screw, whatever, cut it like shorter, or get another one that's shorter to make it work. That's not gonna work. Yeah, so we'll just get another American bolt and put some Teflon in it. I'm actually probably gonna put American bolt with Teflon. Maybe, yeah, just put Teflon. I'll put some good amount of Teflon on it, and then tying it down so no air comes out of there. But let's continue. I still got a couple more things to do. Alright, so ran all the lines, feed is connected. See, the return is right there, clamped down. The feed right here. The feed is right there, clamped down with 2. Yeah, everything is back there. Doesn't look too bad. I mean, it's always gonna be a little clustered in the back with the fuse setup, but yeah, that's good. Now I'm just gonna cut this, remove the sensor, remove this plug that I have right here, and then yeah, I'll probably end up putting on the clutch stuff over here also. Bro, it is cold. It went from like being cold to freezing. So all the stuff over there is done. I have this banjo with the bolt. I'm gonna throw on the clutch line. My dad right now is putting the different fittings. So this is the fitting that I had right here. So I'm gonna take this one off and put the other one for the vacuum line. And now that I think of it, I'm gonna need one also for my boost line. So I might need the same exact one again when I put the my boost gauge back on, because I have the mechanical one. So you need one of these lines. I'm actually gonna keep this line. I might have to get another one. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to get another one. Take the other one out from there and put that same exact one on. But I'm gonna grab my clutch arm real quick and then put this on. But bro, nah, this is dedication right here, bro. Camera's on this camera. Look at this, probably, dude. Legit freezing right now. Look at these hands. Alright, so ended up putting the vacuum line on. Vacuum line is on. I ran a clutch line. Clutch line's there. Running all the way to the back. I have the line here, and then obviously once the I get the slave, I'll put it up top, and that's it. And I have to later on run a fitting here. Forgot about that, so thank God everything's still loose. Just gotta take those 4 bolts out. That's still loose. And for the people that said, well, I know one person said you can't run this like this, whatever. These regulators are meant to run one side on the fuel rail, because these new regulators have the same way. Anything that's left over in here or backed up in here, it'll return just like a regular fuel rail. I mean regulator, but this one's just more advanced and is made for this. And for those of you who don't understand or said they didn't understand, it's gonna be a little complicated now because everything is in the way right now. But this line, the best I could explain it is this line goes into my return, as you guys saw today. So this line, this is my feed, right? This is my feed. So this is the filter. Here is the inline filter. It goes all the way in here. And this right here is my, oh, you can see right there, that's my hard line. That's my feed. So it's gonna get feed all the way from there up into this one. This one goes all the way around into the fuel, into the ejectors. Again, easiest thing. Now, the return line is right here, that one. So that's the return into the tank, which goes all the way up. On the bottom, this is my E85 sensor, so I need this. And the E85 sensor goes on the return, not on the feed or anything. So that's where it goes, and whatever's backed up here is gonna go back into the tank. And yeah, and then you're good. So I was gonna do the other lines for the IAC, but I told my dad the wrong size, so we're gonna bring that back so we could do these lines here. So I gotta just do that line to the IAC, and from the back of the motor to the IAC. So my camera battery is dying. I'm freezing. Please guys, like this video. I'm out here freezing to make a vlog for you guys because I wasn't even gonna vlog this shit. It's way too cold. Like, comment, subscribe, build to enjoy. Peace out. Please kill this like button. We're getting work done on this car in like 10 degrees weather. Who's out here right now outside on YouTube making fucking frozen content for you guys? Peace out.